Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, a follow-up on that Lionel 8902 with its original consist that showed up today. This was 12 bucks on eBay. So I took the locomotive apart. I installed a full-wave bridge rectifier on the motor. Now, I originally installed a diode, and this would not run on a single diode. It chattered really, really bad. So I had to install a full-wave bridge rectifier. And added the tender, of course. The other three cars are virtually new. As you see, really, really decent condition on all of this. So a full-wave bridge rectifier is installed. This is on rail 4. It's going to be its first trip around the rail running on AC. As you see, that's about 35% power, pulling the original consist. Working headlight, as you see, it's in really, really decent condition, and this was absolutely dirt cheap. 12 bucks. All I had to do is add the tender. So, as I always stress, don't overlook the junk and don't overlook the DC locomotives. One of these cars is worth what I paid for this entire set. And as you see, it's running absolutely perfectly. So I added a full-wave bridge rectifier to the motor so you can run it on AC. It'll run on AC now forever. Smooth, quiet, it has lots of power. It has its original consist. It actually looks quite respectable. No one would object to owning this. 12 bucks on eBay. You know, you simply cannot beat that. And once you've installed that rectifier, you have an AC locomotive that'll run on any AC rail. Of course, it'll still run on DC as well. So it's a really, really simple expedient. It gives you a really decent locomotive and a full consist for $12. And as you see, this is running just absolutely perfectly. This set looks virtually new. I'll probably clean up that tender now that it's on this consist. But it doesn't look like the cars have ever been run. And other than the broken bell, the locomotive was in perfect condition, no damage to it at all. So installed 2 contactors on it. As you see, this is up and running. Full wave bridge rectifier installed, and a really, really decent running locomotive and full consist for 12 bucks. You simply can't beat that by anyone's standards. So I gotta say it one more time. Don't overlook the junk. Don't overlook the DC locomotives. This thing was dirt cheap. It was fun to do. It adds a lot to your collection. The cars alone were worth what I paid for this entire set. One of the cars, in fact. Anyway, I just wanted to do a follow-up video on this. A lot of fun. It's really, really inexpensive if you do it this way. As you see, it was well worth the $12. And the 10 minutes or so it took to install that rectifier, of course. So, I'm pleased with it. 3 cars that look virtually brand new. I had to add the tender and 2 contactors to it. Anyway, as you see, it was well worth what I paid for it. So, a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benztrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.